Today we are going to work on the lead code problem, a maximum depth of the binary tree. So here's a problem where you're given the root of its tree and you need to find the depth. So depth is defined as the number of nodes it takes to go all the way to the furthest leaf node. So here, for example, all the way to the furthest leaf node is either 15 or 7. So there are like 3 nodes leading up to it. So that's why we return the output of 3. So yeah, the way we find the depth is essentially, so any problem which involves a binary tree, there's always, usually there'll be a recursive solution. So that's how we have to think of what the solution could be. So a recursive solution will always have a base case and a recursive case. So let's work on that. So the base case would be like if we have reached all the way to the end of the, that is, we have reached all the way to the end of the tree, we know the node is null. Then we return 0. For anything above that, we keep adding 1 to it, and we keep doing it until we reach all the way to the root of the tree. And that'll be the max depth. So yeah, I'll try coding it and it'll be clearer. So first thing we'll do is check if root equal to null. So this is a base case for us. Else, so now we know if the root is not null, we'll keep adding 1 because we're just adding the current depth of the tree, and we'll just add the depth of its left and right child. So return 1. So yeah, just to recap, if the root is null, this is a base case. We return 0, else we increment 1 and just find out what's the depth of the left and right child. And so we keep doing it until we reach all the way, so we have traversed all the nodes. So let's try running the solution. Okay, use case are passed. We'll try submitting it. So the time complexity of the solution is O of n, where n is the number of nodes in the tree. So this is because we'll be traversing all the nodes in the tree when you're finding the depth. And the space complexity will be O of m, where m is the depth of the tree. So since we're using a recursive solution,